In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get PR in Canada for international students. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the possibility of getting permanent residency in Canada as an international student. First, I recommend that you follow along on the canada.ca website, the Government of Canada page, where they will have plenty of up-to-date information regarding this. Of course, I'm still gonna talk about the process in this video, but if you want to get your own up-to-date information, this is the place that you have to visit. In here, you will be able to go over to Immigration and Citizenship and browse through various categories on the Help Center to answer your questions that you might have. Now, the article that I recommend that you follow along with is this one. I am an international student in Canada. How can I apply to become a permanent resident? You can click this option here on the page and you will be redirected into the Help Center where you can find the article. Now, as you can see, they list three main programs. There are several permanent residence categories that you may fit into, including the Canadian Experience Class, the Federal Skilled Worker Program, and finally, Provincial Nominee Program. So all that you have to do is choose any of these where you believe that you would fall into, and you will be able to see the eligibility. So this is why I recommend that you follow along. Whenever you click any of these, you will be able to see the minimum requirements and how to apply. So for example, on the second one, for you to apply for this one, you need to meet all of these minimum requirements: skilled work experience, language ability, and education. Then, if you meet these minimum requirements, they are going to assess your application based on selection factors. So age, education, work experience, whether you have a valid job offer, English or French, language skills, and adaptability. The pass mark is 67 points, and they are going to explain the process for each of these here. So all that you have to do to choose one and proceed is to follow along here. So as you can see, most of these pages are going to allow you to do it online. So you will be able to find out if you are eligible, sign in with your account on the Government of Canada website, and then proceed with the online form. Now, sadly, because this contains a lot of personal information, I won't be able to show you this in full on screen, but regardless, you will be able to follow the steps along and get this process done. I hope I was able to help you on how to get PR in Canada for international students. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.